QCY has launched the Crossky C50i open-ear wireless earbuds in China. These come with a clip-on design and are now available on JD.com for 169 yuan, $25. The C50i uses a clip-on design, a style that has become more common for people who want to listen to music or podcasts without blocking their ear canals. To keep the earbuds in place, QCY uses a flexible C-bridge mechanism built around a 0.5mm memory titanium wire. The company says this wire has been tested for durability through 10,000 bending cycles. The earbuds are covered in a soft material to reduce pressure on the ear and feature an inner hook to prevent slipping during activities, like running or cycling. They also have an IPX4 water resistance rating, which is standard for handling sweat and light rain. For audio, the earbuds are equipped with QCY's SQ-owned drivers, which use a composite diaphragm made from wool fibers and paper. The C50i includes a dedicated DSP audio module and software algorithms designed to boost low-frequency output. The earbuds support LDAC, allowing for higher quality audio streaming up to 990 kbps, and they carry a high-res audio wireless certification. It also supports 360-degree spatial audio mode. To address sound leakage, a common issue with open-ear models, the C50i uses a 30-degree angled sound outlet and reverse sound wave technology to keep audio directed at the user. On the software side, the earbuds have 4 microphones for call noise reduction and wind suppression. The app includes extra tools like real-time translation for about 30 languages, meeting transcription, dual-device connectivity, and a low-latency gaming mode. Battery life is rated at 8 hours of playback in standard mode, with a 500 mAh charging case bringing the total to 40 hours. If you use LDC, the battery life drops significantly to 4 hours per charge and 20 hours total. The earbuds charge via USB-C, with a 10-minute charge providing about an hour and a half of standard playback. The QCY C50i comes in sea salt blue, bright moon white, peach pink, and mist gray. The charging case has an iridescent finish that shifts color in different lighting.